Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer Tether, USDT, from Kucoin to Crypto.com. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a verified account on both Kucoin and Crypto.com. You'll also need some USDT in your Kucoin wallet. Oh, and remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so proceed with caution. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you can see all your cryptocurrencies. Find Tether, USDT, in your list and click on it. Next, look for the Withdraw button. This will open up a form where you select the network for your transfer. In 2025, options like Tron or ERC20 are common, so choose the one that matches your Crypto.com wallet to avoid any issues. Tron is usually faster and cheaper. Now, enter your Crypto.com wallet address. You can find this by logging into Crypto.com, going to your wallet, and copying the USDT address. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Then, input the amount of USDT you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review any fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. Once that's done, sit back and wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Finally, once it's complete, log into Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. There you have it, folks. Transferring Tether from Kucoin to Crypto.com is a breeze when you follow these steps. Always stay vigilant about security, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.